Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in the last video I have been showing you how to make the dark chocolate cake. Now for this recipe, it's based on the Red Nose Day coming up, so I'm going to be showing you how to make the Red Nose Cupcakes. Now for this recipe, put in 100 grams of butter and 150 grams of caster sugar and mix those two ingredients together. It will be mixed in a smooth and pale texture. Next of all is to beat 2 eggs in a separate bowl. Now beat the eggs like this in a separate bowl. Once the eggs are beaten, add in along with the butter and sugar, along with the vanilla extract, or zesty orange extract, which is a teaspoon. The next thing to do is to gently sift in the 150 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 20 grams of cocoa powder to make it chocolatey, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. Then fold the dry ingredients in. What you have to do is to fill each batter up up to 3/4 level on each of the cupcake cases. Those are the cupcake batter that has been divided into 12 cupcake cases, and they look like chocolatey. Now put the cupcakes in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until they rise like a normal cupcake does. Now pause the video now. I'm going to be showing you what to do next as a Red Nose Cupcake. These are the cupcakes they've been baked in the oven for 15 minutes and have been cooled on a wiring rack. All you do with the icing sugar is to sieve 150 grams of icing sugar and the other one I'm adding is tablespoons of water. It says 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Do it by little at a time so it doesn't run straight off the cupcakes. These are the cupcakes that have been inspired for Red Nose Day. And it's got red suede and it's based on the Red Nose Day theme. So if you like this video based on Comic Relief Red Nose Day recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for more recipe suggestions like this. So in the next video, I'll see you in the next recipe tutorial next time. Don't forget to suggest the other recipes you want me to do next. Bye.